Hey guys, today I'll do Super Blast air horn, but it has with a pump. So here we go. This still doesn't work, but it works. Why this pump won't work for me? It's working. Alright, I had enough, so I guess this pump just needs, maybe it's not working well, I don't know why, so I might have to order a new one, so yeah. Oh, it's working alright, but I think my air horns just needs to be, the pump just needs to be more air 40 or something like that. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next one. Love you all.